Nasa mood mo ng kumanta. Oh. Hello, Marites. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? It's showing off. It's making a new sound. Is it not new? No? Okay.
That sound is saying, turn the flash off me, please. I don't like being filmed.
Where's OC?
In my room.
Oh.
Eating my homework. Upstairs unattended for 2 seconds and she ate my homework. I did. Sorry, my God, I ate my homework. Now we don't have to say. No, I redid it. What should you say?
Ashley, do you need to feed this one? Or no?
No.
No? Tomorrow again, is it?
What if she chews up that bit? What if she chews up that one? She started to. There's little punctures. And I'm on the side already. Potato in my grapes. Oh, what? I literally ate this whole melon by myself. How could you eat a whole melon? It was just one of those mini melons. Like about the size of like that.